Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a dump cake using yellow box cake mix. So I shared a recipe on here before on how to make a dump cake and basically like the crust that you can add any fruit to. And today's video is even easier. You use this yellow cake mix and your fruit and you have a beautiful cobbler dump cake. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's go ahead and get started.
Okay, we're going to start off with our glass baking dish. We're going to have a 9 by 13 glass baking dish, yellow cake mix, a stick of butter, some ground cinnamon, and your peaches. My peaches came off of my peach trees from last year that had saved in the freezer. This year we don't have hardly any peaches on our peach trees, so I'm glad that I saved peaches from last year. This mixture here already has cinnamon. It's ready to go as a peach cobbler. But if you don't have cinnamon on your peaches, you're going to want to just sprinkle some on top. For this simple recipe, you can use fresh peaches or canned peaches, and you can find both options of that recipe in my description. So go check that out for all of the measurements and instructions and all of that good stuff. So now I'm just making sure that everything is kind of evened out. There's not certain spots that have more than others. And so you're just going to put your peaches straight on. If you're using canned peaches, keep the juices. The juices is what mixes with the cake mix. So we're simply going to just put the cake mix on top, and you're just going to sprinkle it all on top of the peaches. And you're going to see that first it's not going to look like it's gotten into the peaches, and it's just going to look really dry. And I'll give you a few tips here in a moment of what you can do so that you don't get very dry or kind of powdery looking cobbler. So I went ahead and added in some extra cinnamon. I love cinnamon, so that's just to my taste. So add your cinnamon and anything like that to your taste. So I'm just sprinkling it on just like so, and then I'll kind of even it out with a spoon or with my hand. You do want to make sure that you've covered pretty much the whole area. And if you do have spots that have a little bit more than others, just with your hand or a spoon or something like that, kind of even it out. That's the easiest way to do it. If you have really juicy peaches and stuff like that, you could press it down a little bit and that'll get rid of some of that powdery stuff. Now I melted my butter, and you can melt your butter and just pour it on top of the cake mix, or you can just slice pads of butter and just cover the whole top. That's probably the easiest way so that you don't get any dry spots. I oftentimes do that, but I know that I have so much juice with my peaches that I'm not going to have to do that. You could see it was already just kind of coming through all of the cake mix. And when you have it in the oven, you're going to want it to be in there until it's nice and bubbly golden brown, just like it was. And now it's out of the oven. It looks so good, y'all. It smells so good. We had this for dessert with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. It was so good and tasted just like summertime. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. If you try this recipe, let me know down in the comments what you think, and I will catch you on our next video.